Momentum CPUs. I've identified them as processor number 1, or node 1, node 2, node 3, and down here node 4. You'll notice that the Ethernet cables are not currently connected. Each of the processors is animating some outputs. So node 1 here, we have 4 outputs that are being written. All the others are static. So node 1 takes these 4 outputs called var1 or variable 1, and it publishes that as a variable to the other nodes. So each of the other nodes is subscribing to var1. So for example, on node 2, if you look at the var1 space, you can see that they're all dark. In other words, they're not receiving a publication, or they're not subscribing to that publication from node 1, simply because none of them are connected. So each is animating only its local variable. So node 1 is animating var1, node 2 is animating var2, node 3 animating var3, and so on and so forth. So as I start to connect them, then you'll see the publication start to get picked up by the subscribers. So what we can expect to see is that var1 here, as it's being animated locally, it'll be sharing that with node 2. And when I do so, then you'll see var1 start to animate on node 2. As I connect node 3, var1 will animate on node 3, and var1 will animate on node 4 when that's connected. So with that, I'll just connect them one at a time. It takes about 2 seconds for the publish subscribe to kick in. So as I connect them, and now if I connect up node 2, we should be able to see the var1 start to publish on node 2, and there it goes. So 1 and 2 is each animating 2 variables. Now as I add node 3, we'll see the first 3 variables publish across and subscribe across the top CPUs. And then as I add node 4, last but not least, we should see all of the outputs animated.